In the rapidly evolving landscape of unmanned aerial systems, UAS, on the modern battlefield, Russia has introduced a significant advancement with the Supercam S180 reconnaissance drone. Developed by the Unmanned Systems Group, part of broader Russian defense initiatives often linked to Rostec, this high-speed fixed-wing UAV represents a direct response to the growing threat of enemy interceptor drones, particularly first-person view, FPV, systems widely employed in contested zones. Recent upgrades, including advanced detection and evasion capabilities, have positioned the S-180 as a resilient asset that enhances Russia's intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) operations while minimizing vulnerabilities. The Supercam S180 stands out with its swept-wing configuration, reminiscent of a fighter jet, which contributes to its high-speed performance and stability. This design not only allows for efficient cruising but also imparts superior maneuverability compared to traditional straight-wing reconnaissance drones. Powered by a near-silent electric motor with a two-blade propeller, the drone maintains a low acoustic signature, making it harder for ground-based auditory detection systems to locate it during low-altitude or stealthy missions. With a compact wingspan of approximately 1.8 meters, the S180 is more agile and portable than its larger sibling, the S350. It can be launched from elastic or pneumatic catapults, offering deployment flexibility from mobile ground units or forward operating positions. Recovery is typically via parachute, ensuring operational reliability even in rugged terrain. These attributes make the drone ideal for rapid insertion into high-threat environments, where traditional manned aircraft or larger UAVs would face prohibitive risks. The standout feature of the latest Supercam S180 iterations is its integrated protection against FPV interceptor drones. Russian manufacturers have serially equipped these UAVs with optical and radio frequency detection systems. An additional camera monitors the rear and upper hemispheres, enabling automatic object recognition to detect approaching threats in real time. Upon identification, the system issues warnings and can trigger evasive maneuvers, allowing the drone to dodge incoming attacks. This capability is crucial in the current operational environment, where Ukrainian forces have deployed numerous low-cost FPV interceptors to hunt Russian reconnaissance assets. By detecting threats early, via both visual and electromagnetic signatures, the S180 can accelerate to maximum speed, alter its flight path, or use terrain for cover. Russian sources highlight demonstrations where the drone successfully evades simulated or real interceptor engagements, underscoring its survivability. The swept-wing layout further aids in quick directional changes, mimicking the agility of tactical jets. Recent reports indicate that the evasion system has been mass-produced and integrated, marking a shift from ad hoc modifications to standardized factory installations. This proactive engineering approach addresses lessons learned from earlier Supercam variants, which, while effective, faced higher attrition rates against evolving enemy countermeasures. Beyond evasion, the S180 has seen substantial performance enhancements. Flight endurance has been doubled to more than 4 hours, a significant leap that allows deeper penetration into contested areas for prolonged reconnaissance. Maximum speed has also increased, enabling the drone to transit high-risk zones rapidly and reduce exposure time. These improvements support missions behind enemy lines, providing persistent overwatch for Russian ground forces. Payload capacity reaches up to 5 kilograms in some configurations, compatible with advanced sensors from the Supercam family, including full HD video cameras, full-frame still cameras, and HD thermal imagers. This enables day and night operations, thermal target acquisition, and high-resolution imagery for artillery correction, battle damage assessment, and real-time intelligence feeds. The drone's data links support reliable transmission over significant distances, enhancing command and control integration. Operationally, the drone bolsters combined arms integration. Real-time video and thermal feeds support precise artillery strikes, drone-guided maneuvers, and situational awareness for ground commanders. Its ability to operate in contested airspace strengthens Russia's reconnaissance strike complex, where timely intelligence directly influences kinetic outcomes. Extended loiter time and speed allow coverage of larger areas, aiding in the detection of enemy movements, fortifications, and logistics hubs. In the context of electronic warfare, EU, and jamming-heavy environments, the S-180's autonomous features and multi-spectrum detection provide resilience. It can continue missions even when primary links are disrupted, relying on pre-programmed routes and onboard processing. This adaptability is a force multiplier in hybrid warfare scenarios. Furthermore, the S-180 contributes to technological sovereignty and innovation momentum. By iteratively upgrading domestic platforms in response to battlefield feedback, Russia demonstrates agility in defense R&D. Public unveilings, such as at international exhibitions like the Dubai Air Show 2025, also serve diplomatic and deterrence purposes, showcasing capabilities to allies and potential adversaries. As drone-on-drone warfare intensifies, systems like the Supercam S180 highlight a shift toward intelligent, evasive platforms rather than purely expendable ones. While no system is invincible, the combination of speed, detection, maneuverability, and endurance significantly raises the bar for interceptors. Ukrainian countermeasures continue to evolve, but Russia's proactive integrations keep the S-180 competitive, often forcing adversaries to expend more resources per engagement. For Russian forces, this means greater confidence in deploying reconnaissance assets forward, supporting offensive and defensive operations alike. The drone's success could influence future designs, potentially leading to swarming tactics where multiple S-180s coordinate for mutual protection and broader coverage, an area of ongoing Russian development in unmanned systems. The Supercam S180 exemplifies Russia's commitment to countering emerging threats with innovative, battlefield-proven solutions. Its evasion of interceptor attacks, coupled with extended performance metrics, delivers a robust reconnaissance tool that enhances operational effectiveness, reduces risks to personnel, and provides a strategic edge in prolonged conflicts. As UAS technology advances, platforms like the S-180 will likely play an increasingly central role in securing information superiority, the decisive factor in 21st century warfare. With continued refinements, the Supercam family underscores a key advantage: adaptability and rapid iteration, ensuring Russian forces maintain a capable unmanned presence despite evolving challenges. This development not only bolsters current capabilities but also paves the way for future dominance in tactical aerial reconnaissance.